Dear students, my name is Joshua Mugabe. The subject is chemistry. Welcome to Chemistry Topical MCQs. Today we are going to look at Reactivity Series. Let us start our quiz. Metal P displaces metal R from its oxides, and metal R displaces metal W from its oxide. Which of the following is the order of affinity of metals for oxygen? It's P displacing R and R displacing W. PRW. Magnesium reduces oxide of metal Y, and Y displaces copper from its salt. Which one of the following is the order of reactivity of metals, starting with the most reactive? Magnesium is more reactive than Y, and Y is more reactive than copper. Hydrogen does not reduce oxides of Z, but reduces oxides of Y more readily than it reduces the oxides of X. The reactivity of the elements X, Y, and Z, starting from the most reactive, is Z, X, Y. Which of the following metals cannot displace lead from an aqueous solution of its salts? Silver. The ease with which calcium, iron, magnesium, and zinc react with hydrochloric acid to produce hydrogen is calcium greater than magnesium, greater than zinc, greater than iron. Which of the following will displace lead from lead to nitrate? Zinc. The reaction of metals J, M, and L with water under different conditions are described below. J reacts with steam when the metal is strongly heated. M reacts with water at room temperature. L reacts with steam when the metal is red hot. The order of reactivity of the metals, starting with the least reactive, is J, L, and M. Which of the following metals displaces zinc from its salt solution? Calcium. Elements W, X, Y, and Z and their oxides react as follows. Z displaces X and W from their oxides. W displaces X from its oxide, and Y displaces Z from its oxide. The order of reactivity of the metals is Y, Z, W, and X. Which of the following will occur when aluminium is added to a solution of silver nitrate? Silver is precipitated out. When copper powder is shaken with aqueous silver nitrate, the color of the solution changes to blue. The order of reactivity of metals Z, Y, and X is Y greater than Z greater than X. Which of the following statements about the reaction of metals are true? 1. Z displaces X from its solutions. 2. An oxide of Z reacts with both X and Y. 3. An oxide of Z reacts with Y but not with X. And 4. X dissolves in an aqueous solution containing ions of Y. One and 3, which are Z displaces X from solution of its ions, and an oxide of Z reacts with Y but not with Z. Dear students, thank you very much for attending to this chemistry topical MCQ. This has been about reactivity series. Let us meet in other papers of different topics.